Okay, class, we're going to be creating a table stand for a tablet. So we're going to go into Tinkercad and we're going to go into designs here. As Tinkercad has a new look, designs, and choose 3D designs. Okay. And you see on 3D designs here, I've already created it. I'll show you what it looks like. Tinker this. And this is the object that we'll be creating today. And what this will end up being is, let's see, this little guy right here. Okay. This part right here, we're going to make this first, and then we're going to make the back part right here, and the holder. And this will be able to hold a tablet. And you can shrink it easily. It can hold a phone and do different things. So you can hold different objects here. Shrinking things and or making things larger is very easy when it comes to 3D printing. So let's get started creating this object. So let's delete that. And what we're going to start with is we're going to start with the box. And we're going to start with a cylinder. And we're going to clean up the cylinder a little bit, those edges there, by taking the sides, and we're going to put this to max 64. That'll clean it up. Let's get this out the way. Okay, so let's talk about the sizes. We're going to make the cylinder into a 10 by 10. So from 20, we're going to make it 10. And this 20 right here, we're going to make that 10. Okay, and then let's go to this guy right here, and let's make his side right here also 10, but we're going to make his length, let's say about 25. So let's make his length 25. Okay, good. All right, we're going to change perspective. We're going to look from on top, and this will help us work a little better. And I'm going to click the, bring this as close as I can. Oops, didn't mean to do that. So undo that. Let's move this guy over. And I'm going to zoom in using the letter F. So we're pressing F, and it kind of zooms in. We'll zoom out again. And a little bit more. Again, we're looking from the top. And we're going to combine these two pieces. And we want this to be exactly in the middle. So let's work. Nope, that doesn't look in the middle yet. So I'll move it over. Yeah, that's about the middle. Okay, if you need to change the snap grid, you can. Okay, that looks good. All right, so that's our first piece. Our second piece, let's use this piece right here. We're going to duplicate it, and then we're going to use the up arrow to pull it out. There it is. And we want this new piece to be, we want this new piece to be about 75. So we're going to change this right here from 25 to 75. Okay, good. Now, we're going to spin this guy around 90 degrees. So we're going to click the arc here. Okay, and back out. Click the arc again. There it is. Okay, so we're going to make that a 90-degree turn. Okay, good. All right, let's grab this guy and we're going to put him right on top here and put him in the middle. And I'm going to hit, I'm going to click, I want to zoom in a little bit. I'm going to click this guy right here, click F. Aha, zooms in very nicely. So if you click an object and then hit the letter F, it'll zoom right into what you're looking at. And that's perfect. Okay, so I'm going to back out again. Okay, so let's get a new piece here. Let's click this guy again. I'm going to duplicate him and pull the piece out. And this one I want to be 15. So let's change this to a 15 instead of 25. Got it. Okay, we got that next piece there. Looks good. All right, this piece right here, we're going to duplicate this little cylinder. So we're going to hit duplicate, and then we're going to push the duplication over here. Oops, too far. Let's use F to zoom in. Okay, and then we want him exactly at 1/2. Oops. Yeah, that looks exactly at 1/2. Let's zoom out again. Zoom out, zoom out. And this guy, we want to turn him around 90 degrees. So hit the arc, put in 90 degrees, and he turns over. Okay, and we're going to put him right here. Move over. We want him halfway. Oops, that doesn't look good. We hit F again. Oops, this does not. Okay, I want to turn my snap grid to a 0.5, see if that helps. Ah, that helped beautifully. Now, trying to get halfway is up and down. It's a little tough. I think that's halfway. Okay, up and down. That looks good. All right, go zoom out. Okay, I want another little cylinder on top here. So let's click this guy and duplicate. And then pull him out. And then drag him up to the top. And let's back out a little bit. There we go. Okay. I want to zoom in on this guy, so hit F. There we go. And let's push him over. We want him halfway in. That doesn't look halfway. That looks halfway. That looks halfway. All right, very good. Let's zoom out of here. All right, nice, 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 nice. All the pieces seem to be there. And let me start to do a little zoom in on this guy right here. All right. Okay, so the next piece. Oh, we want to put a round piece here as well. So let's click this guy and then do a duplication and drag him up. And we're going to put him at halfway. It's hard to see, so we hit the letter F. There we go. And that looks about halfway. Okay, good. All right, one more time. We're going to click this piece, do a duplication, bring the duplication out. But this time, we're going to change the size of this right here. Right now, he's at a 10 by 10. We're going to make it 6 by 6. So 6, oops, that's a 5. 6 by 6. Okay, and then furthermore, we're going to make him a hole. So click him again and click hole. Okay, and then we want to take this guy, we want to put him back in the middle here. I got to zoom in, so hit the letter F. I want to get him just right. There we go. All right, I think he's right in the middle. All right, so let's zoom out. Let's go home here. There we go. All right, so we got all these pieces. Let's select everything, and we're going to group it together. There we go. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, now let's turn around and take a look at it. Looks good, looks good, looks good. All right, and we want to, I think we need to turn him over. I need to change the height on this guy. Let's see if I remember the height. I think I need to have him at 80. So let's change the height from 20 to 80. Yeah, that's it. That's it. All right. We want to lay him on his back, so we're going to do a rotation. And let's see. I don't need that rotation. Where's the rotation? Oh, there we go. That rotation is what I need. So let's click him. And instead of 90, that'll turn it the wrong way. I'll make it negative 90. Negative 90. And there we go. All right. You notice that he's floating. Anytime you get floating, hit the letter D for down. And that'll put him back on the ground there. Let's pull him in the middle here. Looking good. Looking good. All right. Oh, let's kind of pull him off to the side because there's a new piece I need. I'm going to grab this box here that's already a hole. And the dimensions I want to make this is going to be, let's see, I want the longest side to be a 75. There we go. And I want the height to be a 35. And then I want the width here go from 20 to a 70. Really making big. All right, nice, nice, nice. Okay, so drag this guy somewhere around here. And let's see, I want to grab everything and pull him over to the middle so we can kind of see the action here. What I want to do is that I want to do an alignment. Let's click alignment. And I want the bottoms to match. Okay, that matches the bottoms. Good. And then I want it right in the middle. So let's put it right in the middle. Okay, that works. Okay, I think that's good. All right, so now let's select everything. And we're going to group that together. And there we go. This is our first piece that we need. So that's the adjustable stand. This is part 1.